house from the front. He was all freaked out about the doorbell. It's been repaired. That's stucco patch around it. Needs to be painted. It works. Front door could certainly use a paint job. This could the whole house, I guess, after 12 years. But anyway, we come in to this room where there's new blinds, I think, there and there. Those were existing. Overall, you can see everything is there. Certainly needs paint. There's no damage or holes in the walls or anything like that. Carpet is a mess right here. Like I said, he's going to tear that out. Some issues with the windowsills. Did I already do this room? It's in my mind. But the windows have been cleaned and everything else we could think of to do. So hopefully all goes well.